Let's say you've created a section and it's such a good section you want to save it and reuse it in the future. No need to go ahead and do anything. It's already saved. I'll show you how. Breakdance has a very nice feature, and that is everything you do on a page within your site is already added to the library. I have a page here that I've quickly created. Very simple. I'll go ahead and make sure it is saved. Perhaps I want to reuse this section that I've created here on another page, or let's say in this case, even at the bottom of the page. To do that, go to Library, and it opens at this website here from the drop-down. And as you scroll down, you will see this is your current page. On the left, under the filter, there is a home, and this is the name of this page that has been created. To give you an idea of what's going on here, go to the design set at the top, drop down, and we choose one of these complete sites like auto repair. What happens is that the design library renders the entire site for you with the pages here on the left. In this case, you have a contact, FAQs, tire repairing, our services, about us, home, and they display here nicely on the right. You can look at it and you can import it. Not only pages, I believe also templates as well. By default though, the first one from the dropdown is this website, which is your website, and it becomes a UI kit. This makes it very easy to reuse sections that you've created without any need to save it. Go to this section, the second one, I'll click Add to Page, a little redundant in this example, but here we have that section. This is ideal if you've created a design that you would like to repeat, but change out the content on other pages on your site or even other websites.